Hello, welcome to Vikram's home, where together we find solutions for everything. I'm Vikram, and on this show, people call me for help with their home. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Curtains, headphones, windows, concentrate.
Hi, welcome to the show. How can I help you?
Hi Vikram, my name is Arthur. I work from home, but there's so much noise outside I can't concentrate.
Oh no, Arthur. Noise can be such a distraction. What's making all the noise?
It's the traffic. Cars are loud all day. I've tried to concentrate, but it's impossible.
I see. Have you thought about getting heavy curtains? They help block outside sounds and look nice too.
Curtains? That's a good idea. But what can I do now? The noise is driving me crazy.
You could try using headphones with calming music. Some say ocean sounds help them concentrate better.
I like that idea. But what about when I don't want music? I just need it quiet sometimes.
Another option is weather strips on your windows. They're great for keeping sound out and the room warm.
Weather strips? That's smart, Vikram. Thank you. I'll try both. Hopefully I can concentrate again.
You're welcome, Arthur. Sometimes small changes make a big difference. Keep me updated on your peaceful office. Another problem solved. Thank you for listening to Vikram's Home. See you next time.